The first step is to open Facebook page, and click Create New Page. If you want to delete a business page, start on step 20 of this tutorial. Type page name, required. Type category, required. Type a bio, optional. Scroll down, and click Create Page. Type a contact website. Type a phone number. Type an email. Scroll down, and click your location's hours. Click Next. Click to add a profile picture. Scroll down, and click to add a cover picture. Click Add Action button. Here you can customize your action button. Click Next. Here you get the option to connect to your WhatsApp page. In this example, click Skip. On this page, you'll have the option to invite your friends. Click Next. On this page you'll have a few more options to choose, and then click Done. That's it, you're done. But wait, what if you want to delete a business page? If you want to delete a business page, click on your profile icon. Click on the page you want to delete to confirm you are on the correct page. Click Settings and Privacy. Click Settings. Click Privacy. Click Facebook Page Information. Scroll down, and click Deactivation and Deletion. Select Delete Page, then click Continue. Here you can choose to download your information or transfer a copy of your information. Click Continue. Enter your password, and click Continue. Click Continue to confirm the deletion. That's it, you're done.